Oh, hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Good morning. I've been under here, the hood, for about 5 minutes, and I'm looking around to find out where the automatic transmission fluid dipstick is.
Cletus, you know what you are? You're a dipstick, a 14-karat dipstick.
Because it's so high up, I gotta stand on my kiddie stool just to get up here, but I can't find it. Nowhere can I find the automatic transmission fluid dipstick. How am I supposed to check the levels of my ATF?
You know how to check it? I'll tell you how to check it. I gotta crawl under there to look for it. The right side of your transmission. So here we go. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna! Oh, son of a gun. So how do they expect like women in a skirt and high heels to do this? How? How do they expect them to do this? You know why they don't expect you to do it? They want you to go take it somewhere. That's what they want you to do. So that you gotta pay some schmo to do it for you. I could have sworn it was here somewhere. Where is it? It is. It's right between the catalytic converter. Okay, here's one converter. There's the other one over there. It's right before the cross member of the oil pan. So it's behind the oil pan. There's the transmission, and right there, that thing right here. Can you believe that? What the freak? I'm gonna get some gloves. Yeah, I got a flashlight too. There it is, right there. See that? That's it right there. I don't know how I'm gonna hold the flashlight, phone, and my hand. I think it's good because the fluid is red and some dripped out as I pulled it out. So let me dry this off and stick it back in and check the levels. So that's it right there. When you take the cap off, you pull it out and it looks like that. And it says on it, check when the engine is hot and idling. Like, I'm going to crawl down here near the catalytic converters while it's idling. What are you, nuts? Anyway, it's at a high level, but not quite at the full mark. I think after you heat it up, whatever, I mean, if it's idling, if it's idling and stuff, it will be expanded. So therefore, it will be up to the full line. But it says right there, check hot. Idling in park. You freaking nuts. I'm not crawling on here. Look where my face is. It's right where the catalytic converter is. That's crazy. So look, it's really full and it's really red, so I think it's fine. I'm gonna put that damn thing back on again. But what a retarded place to put a dipstick. So I tighten it back and that'll be that. I might have a small gasket leak on the oil pan. It's very small, so I'm not gonna try to do it this year. I'll do it maybe in the summer. It's not too hard on two-wheel drive trucks. So look what we're doing now. So my buddy Andy from Jericho came over, and I have these old ramps that I've had since like
I want to say the mid 80s. And I had them stashed in my shed for the longest time because I never used them. But I want to put these, put the truck, the rear part of the truck, up on the ramps so I can crawl under there and have a little bit of room so I don't spray myself completely black with the undercoating. So I haven't done the underneath yet. So I want to do it today. It's a nice day. It's been raining for the past few days and it's been sucking. So I'm just going to concentrate on the rear today. I don't know if I'll be in the mood for doing the fronts, but looks pretty sketchy. Of course, it is sketchy, the truck, but the rims are wider than the ramps. So that would be kind of sketchy for sure. But we'll see what happens. I'm glad that Andy's over because I don't want to overshoot the ramps. You know, have the ramps stuck on the front of the rear. Yeah, that would suck. So I'm going to start her up and slowly back up these ramps. And I'm going to move my car. All right. So just scream good. Ready?
Go.
Just gonna go straight.
Good. A little more, a little more. A little more. A little more.
A little more?
A little more. A little more. Go. A little more. A little more.
What?
Just go a little bit. Good.
Good. Did I get my seat covers all dirty? My pants? Bet. That looks good. Look at that. There she is, Miss Sketchy. And that's definitely sketchy. Hey, see, the ramps were great. It's on there pretty perfect. Now look at it. Now it's nice and high for me to get down there. Look at that. I should put ramps too in case, right?
With what?
Jack stands?
I think it's gonna stay.
Yeah, but what if a big wind comes and blows laterally?
Big wind? Really?
And blows it sideways and I'm under here. Like my head's right underneath the differential at the time.
Well, not in my head.
Thanks. Now another thing is, when I was putting the backup camera a while ago, I couldn't get this wheel off. I think I might have to try to get the wheel off. Except I wouldn't go all the way over there though. I would have to jack up the front. Look at the size of that gas tank. It's like a coffin. See the size of that gas tank?
Well, big truck.
All right, let's get this off. How would anybody get this off?
Dude, it's gonna fall right on your head.
Wouldn't it be slowly? Wouldn't it come off slowly?
What if it doesn't?
How would they expect people to get this off? Honestly.
I think you would have to put a jack underneath it first.
Fuck, seriously?
That's what I would do, because that's really sketchy what you're doing right now.
I don't even know how to get it off. Do you just turn this thing? I mean, it doesn't look like it.
It's got to be a tool that you put on that thing that you're holding right now. No, but then why would they have like little wings and stuff? I should just Google it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
YouTube is your friend.
So I couldn't get the spare tire down, and I didn't know how.
No.
So we watched some videos, and this thing here is supposed to come out. So I'm gonna try my key. I doubt it'll work. It doesn't. It doesn't work. So I can't take this tumbler out to have access, a hole to get to a funnel. What I mean by funnel is right in there, right there. See that thing there? Almost like a funnel. I'm sorry, it's not right there. I'm supposed to stick a stick in there, not a stick, a tool. And I'm supposed to crank the tool, and then the tire is supposed to, the spare tire is supposed to come down by itself. Why am I taking the tire down? Well, it'd be nice to know how you take the tire down in case I got a flat, right? And also I want to undercoat the area where the tire is occupying. So I have to get my tire tools. Can you imagine doing this on the side of a highway in the dark, in the rain, trying to get your spare tire out? What a nightmare. Uh-oh. Oh, I have to loosen those things. So I got this thing out. I don't know which is which. This is the tire iron, of course, to get the lug nuts off. So this has got to be for the jack, right? But then there's a stick here, and I have no idea what the thing looks like, though. Is it this one?
Yeah. So you need this too. You need this, and then the bar goes perpendicular to it. That's it.
These three?
Yep.
All right, you guys saw that? That just comes down like that on a wire. No, you're not going to be able to do that because it has that wingtip on the end.
Well, you're supposed to bend the wingtip and bring it.
Oh, I see. Ah, das ist gut.
Go ahead. I've loosened it enough. You should be able to work your way around it.
Look at that, fellers. Look at that. That's how it comes out. Amazing! It only had 11 PSI in the spare tire. So today we figured out how to take the wheel off the spare tire, and
put it on some ramps so I can undercoat it. That was like the dirtiest job I've ever done. I feel it in my hair. I just spent half an hour trying to clean my glasses. They were completely filthy. So here, look, I'm gonna get a white part of this cloth, right? My pointer finger, ready? Watch.
Congratulations. How do you feel?
I feel terrible. This is a dirty job. I mean, I feel dirtier than a Portland hobo in mid-July. Holy cow. I'm filthy. It's a dirty job. And I couldn't get everything. I just couldn't, you know. But I did most of it. 98% of my rear is done. Honestly, with that experience, I don't really want to do the front. I'm done. This is it. This is good enough. It's covered pretty much everything. 98% of everything that's vital. I did mostly the frame, the side rails of the frame, the chassis, and then everything else is pretty much covered. So pretty good. I used a lot of cans. I probably total maybe 8 cans, and I didn't even really do the front either. I did the sides and the top and the bed, but there's still some stuff to do. It's almost impossible to do it all without completely making yourself black without a lift. If I had a lift, maybe I'll try to do it a little better, but this is good enough for me. I've had it. I wouldn't want to undercoat a car ever again. I mean, I am filthy. Just look at my jacket and my pants. Can you imagine if I didn't change in my dirty clothes? I mean, it's all waxy and grimy and stuff. You know, I was wearing gloves, and look at my hands. Just taking the gloves off. Anyway, I'm done. Undercoating, everything else I've done to this truck. This truck is too nice to even pick shit up. Got a surprise for you guys coming soon, hopefully in the mail, and I'll get ready to install that. I'm pretty sure some of you guys know what I'm talking about. What does this need to go and pick up tractors? It needs that. And so I might have to, I'll tell you about it when I get it. Anyway, I'm gonna put this wheel back on there again, get this off ramps, and take like an hour shower. Anyway, thanks a lot for joining me on today's video. How to check your automatic transmission fluid in an F-150. How to take off the spare tire from your F-150 and undercoating it with Waxoyl. If you guys would like to try Waxoyl, a link is in the description. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
See you guys next time on Mowers.